The next sum is 3. 3 plus root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus 3 root 2. We'll find first a2 minus a1. a2 minus a1. What is a2? 3 plus root 2 minus. What is a1? 3. This 3 and 3 minus 3 gets cancelled. What is left? Root 2. Now I will take a3 minus a2. What is a3? 3 plus 2 root 2, right? Minus. What is a2? 3 plus root 2. Take in bracket because there is minus sign. That is why we have to take in bracket. Now it will be a3 minus a2 is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. Open the bracket. Minus into plus. Minus. Minus into plus. Minus. 3 and minus 3 gets cancelled. What is left? 2 root 2 and this is minus root 2. What is 2 root 2 minus root 2? Root 2 because root 2 means 1 root 2. Now I take a4 minus a3. What is a4? 3 plus 3 root 2 minus a3 is, take in bracket, 3 plus 2 root 2, right, is equal to 3 plus 3 root 2 minus into plus minus, minus into plus, minus. This gets cancelled, right? 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is root 2. Now look at the common difference. What is a2 minus a1? Root 2. What is a3 minus a2? Root 2. What is a4 minus a3? Root 2. Common difference is same. So it forms an AP. So I will write here, right? What I will write as the common difference is same, therefore 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 forms an AP, right? And when the series forms an AP, then only we can find more 3 terms. Which are the more 3 terms? A5, A6 and A7. A5 is equal to A plus 4D. What is A? 3 plus 4 into, what is D? Root 2. So it becomes 3 plus 4 root 2. A6 is A plus 5D. A is what? 3 plus 5 into D is what? Root 2. So it becomes 3 plus 5 root 2. A7 is equal to A plus 6D is equal to 3 plus 6 into root 2 is equal to 3 plus 6 root 2. Next sum is A, 2A, 3A, 4A. This is not 49, huh? This is 4A. 4A. Right? First I will find A2 minus A1. What is A2? 2A. Minus, what is A1? A. 2A minus A is A. Now I will take A3 minus A2. What is A3? 3A. Minus, what is A2? 2A. What is 3A minus 2A? A. Now I will take A4 minus A3. What is A4 minus A3? 4A minus 3A is equal to A. Common difference is same. Series forms an AP. Then I write as the common difference is same. Therefore, A, 2A, 3A, 4A form an AP. And when the series forms an AP, we can find more 3 terms. So I will write here, okay? More 3 terms means what? A5, A6 and A7. These are the three more terms, right? A5 is equal to A plus 4D. A is what? A plus 4 into what was the D? A, right? So it is 4 into A is 4A. 4A plus A, 5A, right? 4 into A, 4A. 4A plus A, 5A. A6 is equal to A plus 5D. A is A plus 5 into D is A. 5 into A is 5A. 5A plus A is 6A, right? A7 is equal to A plus 6D. A plus 6 into what is D? A. What is 6 into A? 6A. 6A plus A, 7A. So these are the next three terms. Next sum. A square, A cube, A raised to 4. First I will find A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. What is A2? A square minus A1 is A. What I will do here? I will take common. What is common from A square minus A? A is common. What will come in the bracket? A minus 1. Because from A square and A is common. If A is common, what is left in the bracket? A minus 1. Now I will take, for this was A2 minus A1. I will take now A3 minus A2. What is A3? A cube minus, what is A2? A square. What is common from A cube and A square? A square is common. What is in the bracket? A minus 1. Now we will take A4 minus A3. What is A4? A raised to 4 minus, what is A3? A cube. What is common from A raised to 4 and A cube? A cube. In bracket, A minus 1 is left. Look at the common difference. Are they same? No. Don't see, okay, A minus 1, A minus 1, A minus 1 is same here. See here, outside the bracket it is A into A minus 1. In second case it is A square into A minus 1. In third case it is A cube into A minus 1. So common difference is not same. And the common difference is not same. The series does not form an AP. I will write here as the CD. CD means common difference is not same. Therefore, A square, A cube, A raised to 4 does not form an AP. Does not form an AP. And if the series does not form an AP, we cannot find more 3 terms. We cannot find more 3 terms. Now we will see the next one. Should I rub it? The next one is root 2. This is root 8, root 18, root 32. I'll take first A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. What is A2? Root 8 minus root 2. Root 8 means what? 4 into 2. Right? What is square root of 4? 2. So it becomes 2 root 2 minus root 2. What is 2 root 2 minus root 2? It is root 2. It is root 2. Now I will take A3 minus A2. What is A3? Root 18 minus, what is A2? Root 8. Root 18 means what? Under root 9 into 2 minus root 8. Root 8, see how root 8 it is written here. Root 8 is written as 2 root 2. So I will write here 2 root 2. What is square root of 9? 3. So it becomes 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is equal to root 2. Now A4 minus A3. What is A4? Root 32 minus A3 is what? A3 is what? Root 18. Root 32 means 16 2s minus root 18. How root 18 is written? 3 root 2. 3 root 2 is equal to, what is square root of 16? 4. So it becomes 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2. What is 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2? Root 2. See the common difference. All are root 2. It means the series forms an AP. The series forms an AP. Clear? I'll grab okay and then I'll proceed for the next part. What I will write? As the common difference is same, therefore root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32 forms an AP. Now once the series forms an AP, we have to find how many more terms? 3 more terms. Which are those terms? A5, A6 and A7. A5 means what? A plus 4D. What is A? Root 2. Right? What was D? Root 2. So 4D means 4 into root 2. What is root 2 plus 4 root 2? 5 root 2. 5 root 2. A6 is equal to A plus 5D. A is what? Root 2 plus 5D means 5 into root 2. 5 into root 2 means 5 root 2. 5 root 2 plus root 2 is 6 root 2. A7 is equal to A plus 6D. That is root 2 plus 6 into root 2. 6D means 6 into D. D is root 2. What is 6 root 2 plus root 2? 7 root 2. So these are the next 3 terms. That is A5, A6 and A7. The next term is root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. First we'll find A2 minus A1. What is A2 here? Root 6 minus, what is A1? Root 3. They cannot be subtracted because both are irrational and there are no factors here, so that we can take common. So it will remain as it is. Then A3 minus A2. What is A3? Root 9 minus root 6. What is square root of 9? 3. 3 minus root 6. Why I have taken here square root? Because it is a perfect square root. Here there was nothing common, or it is not a perfect square root. That is why it is kept as it is. Then A4 minus A3. What is A4? Root 12 minus root 9. Root 12 means what? 4 into 3. What is square root of 9? 3 is equal to, what is square root of 4? 2. 2 root 3 minus 3. Now look at, what is A2 minus A1? Root 3. What is A3 minus A2? 3 minus root 6. What is A4 minus A3? 2 root 3 minus 3. Is the common difference same? No. When the common difference is not same, the series does not form an AP. So what I will write here? As the common difference is not same, I will write here as the common difference is not same, therefore original sum you have to write root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12 and so on does not form an AP. Done.